Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I'm at one of the most famous temples here in Bali. So I woke up so early. I think I woke up around 4 and I left home 4:30. Airbnb is located in Ubud, so from Ubud till here by motorbike it took almost 3 hours. So I was here at 7. So the thing is, when you arrive here they give you a number. You know, there is this very famous gate here. And people just come here to take picture in front of the temple gate. So for that gate, in order to be able to take a picture in front of it, they give you a number. So even though I came here very early, my number is 176 and I've been waiting here since 7 a.m. and it's almost 10:15 and I'm still waiting, and the number is just 115. So it means that there are almost like 70 people in front of me and I'm quite bored. So I would just like to advise you that you should come here very early, like you should come here at around 4 if you can make it, so that you can get your number and you can take pictures and you can continue the rest of the day, so you don't have to wait so much. So I'll just show you the around. So I'll just show you around. And by the way, before you enter, they give you a sarong like this, so you can cover your legs, and also you need to cover your shoulders. So make sure you bring something to cover yourself before you come here.